Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are attempting to, well, we ain't attempting, we going to do it. Hooking up a double DIN DVD player, a duel. Got it at O'Reilly's with a price match for like $100. And we're gonna have to shave this down right here to get the stereo to fit, but it's gonna work.
All these funky ass wires. All these shits.
See, you know, on these wires right here, there's ones that are basically meant for, you know, like steering, like to do Bluetooth on the steering wheel, but this shit doesn't even got Bluetooth. So, and we not taking off this fucking wood grain for that. No siree.
So you got your speakers, you got your shit you don't need, and then you got your power shit. And we're bypassing that piece of shit fucking parking brake shit.
You just ground that out.
And that bitch is gonna let you play.
And you can fly down the road watching DVDs like no time.
It locks it out, so once you put the e-brake down, it don't let you watch nothing. So we're gonna put that bitch to ground so it plays all the time.
Say what?
That's all you need to do. Hook it up to the ground.
Right now we're hooking up a double DIN dual CD player into a 79 Cutlass Calais. Or Calais, whatever the fuck you want.
Calais, you said it right.
Yeah.
Memory wire. The fuck ain't gonna fit in there, is it?
Sometimes you gotta make those bitches fit. Wrong.
Too long. That's what she said.
I don't know if she said that. You gotta tell that thing get her done. It ain't gonna suck its own dick.
And no, these are not needle noses. They're actually crimpers.
Whoa. Check that out, YouTubers. You learn something new every day.
They're so, if you don't have no room, you can actually crimp that shit. Fuck, barely 2 fucking wires. People are gonna look at this and say, this guy doesn't know what he's doing.
This guy doesn't know what he's doing.
Oh, fucking motherfucker. And you gotta get your badass ones. Boom. Quick status.
You done yet?
Does it look like I'm fucking done? You must be tripping.
I thought you were a professional.
I am. Get paid $0 an hour. Pretty sick, huh?
That's what you call brotherly love. Hook it up, bro. You're not saying which wires you're hooking up.
That's the remote wire.
People that watch this video now are gonna be like, you stupid. That's okay, we'll cut that part out. Then you're not gonna get no viewers.
And do it anyway. Alright, what's next? ACC power wire. The red bitch. That's your ignition when the fucking first setting of the key turns on.
Oh. I knew that.
If you didn't, now you know.
And if you guys look at what time the video is at right now, that's right, 4:20. Alright, man. So when you get this double didnt stereo, right, it's going to be saying, warning to avoid distraction, which may lead to serious injury or death. The driver must not view videos or play video games while driving. Why the fuck not? That's the whole point of driving. That makes it fun.
This is America. You should be able to play video games while you're driving.
I know. Or wherever the fuck you are if you're not in America.
Watching movies.
So we're going to show you a fucking easy way of just to bypass that shit, alright? Alright, check this out.
We gotta turn on stereo so they can see.
Oh, okay, my bad.
That's stupid how you do that every time.
Yeah. Okay, see, it says loading disc, right? And then you're like, oh man, I'm gonna watch this movie right now. Oh, hell yeah. No. Warning, video viewing is not available while driving. Alright, so you're gonna turn off the power. Okay.
Make sure your city stops, you know.
And then
you're gonna hook this bitch right up to the fucking...
And what we're hooking up is the...
ground.
No, what's that wire called from the stereo though?
The fucking... parking brake.
Yeah, the parking brake wire.
It's like a lockout feature.
So you just hook that up to your ground.
It's so if you have the e-brake on, it will work. But as soon as you turn off the e-brake, it won't work. So when you're driving, you cannot watch movies.
So then that's why some people that get these duels, you'll see a review saying, oh yeah, shit wouldn't play my CD or DVD till I got to my destination. It's because they were trying to make you be safe, you know.
See, turn on your power.
Alright, it says disc loading.
You know, you just back up and zoom in if you... Look at that shit.
Boom. You'll be watching Taken 3 in no time.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a movie, I know. It's cool.
It's gotta hook up the speakers and
it's gotta hook up the
cut
speakers.
some shit out.
Yeah. Trim this out. And this shit'll be rolling in no time. Well, it's already rolling.
I thought it was gonna be a lot harder, but it was pretty simple.
That's right.
Plus, we saw some fools on YouTube do it.
So thank you to those people.
I ain't gonna take all the credit for it.
So yeah. So you gotta customize this to fit in the Cutlass. If you don't cut this back, it is not gonna fit. come on, I don't even have the lights on right here, and this is on.
Because you turned the light switch all the way back. Or is it only when the power comes on?
Look, that don't make sense.
Watch, close it, shut it, and turn your dimmer. I think it's all the way one way it turns on.
That's weird, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I noticed that one time before.
It doesn't even turn on though, like that don't make sense. Like look.
I don't know.
But it doesn't turn on with those.
That light bulb could be bad. And the other one. You still recording or what the fuck?
Yeah.
I don't know. It might fit. What?
Alright, man. So we got the shit all trimmed down. So this shit should fit in there. Oh yeah. Just like that. Sick.
Oh, you know what you should have done was hook up that antenna.
Remember it was all far over there though.
Well, if you get under there and do it.
Maybe.
But you say don't listen to the radio anyway.
Fuck the radio. Radio's whack.
So what should we put this in? Where's it go?
Right there on top.
So you can show it playing a video. Oh, remember how it was? Oh, it has to be in part. Fuck that shit.
Fuck that. I want to be cruising and be like, oh, look at this new movie I'm watching. System might be a little loud.
Oh, I know. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna bump.
Because it's not even set.
They can transport you to another place.
Where the hell is that remote?
Make your dreams
But alright, man. That's how it's done.
On Digital HD. Start your digital collection. And enjoy your movies anywhere, on any device, in stunning high definition. With Digital HD, your movies are always there. Available at these digital stores. Tell me where the bomb is. 10 seconds and you're dead. Interesting. I'm the only one who knows where that nuke is. Well then, in that case, I'd say you better stop.
All installed. Took like too many hours. Now it's big pimping.
On that 79 Cutlass Calais.
Got the top on there too.
We just did that. One badass bitch now. $550 car. Now it's like a $5,000 car. Huh. And we gonna put airbags on this bitch. It's gonna be a while, but we gonna do it.
Yeah, next we're gonna put airbags. Put like fucking 2,000 pounds of pressure and hop it off the ground. We're gonna bunny hop it like fucking tall as my fucking house. Alright, subscribe and like. This is the last of this video. Peace out.